Once upon a time, a big green frog fell into a deep hole. It tried to jump out but could not reach the top. It stopped trying and began to shout for help. A hare was playing in the tall grass nearby. He heard the cry and went near the deep hole. "I can't get out of this hole," croaked the frog. "I can't jump very high." "Wait a minute," said the hare. "I know where there is a ladder. I will go and bring it. You can use the ladder and get out." "Thank you," croaked the frog. "I will wait." The hare ran off to fetch the ladder. When he came back with the ladder, he saw the frog sitting outside the hole. "Oh," said the hare, "you have done it. I thought you couldn't get out by yourself." "I thought so, too," croaked the frog, "but a snake came into the hole and I just had to get out, so I did. You do not know what you can do till you have to."